Is this taxi available?
Yes, I'm free.
Can I book a taxi to the station?
Yes, I can take you there.
What time will you arrive?
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Is the meter working?
Yes, the meter is on.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Can I pay by card?
Sorry, only cash.
Do you know the railway station?
Yes, I know it well.
Is it far from here?
Not very far.
Can you drive faster?
I'll do my best.
Can we take a shortcut?
Yes, I know one.
Is there traffic ahead?
Yes, a little.
Do you use GPS?
Yes, I do.
Can you stop here for a minute?
Sure, no problem.
Can you wait for me?
Yes, I'll wait.
Is the AC working?
Yes, it is.
Can you turn on the AC?
Sure, I'll turn it on.
Can you please slow down?
Yes, I'll drive slowly.
Can you drop me at the main gate?
Yes, I'll take you there.
Is it safe to travel now?
Yes, it's safe.
How much time will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Do you have change for 500?
Yes, I have change.
Can you help me get a taxi?
Yes, I'll call one for you.
Is this the fastest route?
Yes, it is.
Can I sit in the front seat?
Yes, please go ahead.
Do you speak English?
A little bit.
Can I share this taxi with someone?
Yes, it's a shared taxi.
Will you help with my luggage?
Yes, I will.
Can I eat in the taxi?
Sorry, no eating inside.
Can you open the window?
Sure, I'll open it.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Is this taxi free?
Yes, I'm available.
Can you take me to the city mall?
Sure, I can take you there.
How long will it take to reach the mall?
It will take about 15 minutes.
How much will the fare be?
Around 200 rupees.
Is the meter working?
Yes, the meter is on.
Can I pay by cash?
Yes, you can pay by cash.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is also fine.
Will you wait for me at the mall?
Yes, I can wait for you.
Do you know the best route?
Yes, I know the best way.
Is there traffic now?
There is little traffic now.
Can you help with my bags?
Of course, I'll help you.
Is the car air-conditioned?
Yes, it is air-conditioned.
Can you drive a bit slower?
Sure, I will drive slowly.
Can I open the window?
Yes, you can open it.
Do you have change for 500?
Yes, I have change.
Can we stop at an ATM?
Yes, we can stop.
How far is the mall?
It's about 5 kilometers.
What's the exact address of the mall?
It's Main Road, Sector 5.
Can I sit in the front seat?
Yes, you can.
How long will you wait at the mall?
I can wait 30 minutes.
Can I book you for a return trip?
Yes, you can book me.
Do you take online payments?
Yes, I do.
Will you take the highway?
Yes, we'll take the highway.
Can we avoid traffic areas?
Yes, I'll take a better route.
Is this the fastest way?
Yes, it is.
Do you have a phone charger?
Yes, I do.
Can I eat in the taxi?
Yes, no problem.
Will you be here on time?
Yes, I'll be here on time.
Can you come at 5 p.m.?
Yes, I will come at 5 p.m.
How early should we leave?
About 30 minutes earlier.
Can I book by phone?
Yes, you can call me.
Is this taxi available?
Yes, I'm free.
Can you take me to the hospital?
Yes, I can take you.
How far is the hospital?
It's about 10 minutes away.
How long will it take to get there?
About 10 to 15 minutes.
How much will the fare be?
Around 150 rupees.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Can I pay with card?
Yes, you can.
Is the meter working?
Yes, the meter is on.
Can you drive fast?
Yes, I will hurry.
Can you wait at the hospital?
Yes, I can wait.
Can you help me with my bag?
Of course, I'll help you.
Is there traffic now?
A little traffic, but it's moving.
Can you take the shortest route?
Yes, I will.
Do you know this hospital?
Yes, I know it well.
Can you come inside to pick me up?
Yes, I can come in.
Can I book you for return trip?
Yes, you can.
Is your phone number available?
Yes, here is my number.
Can I sit in the front seat?
Yes, you can.
Is this a clean car?
Yes, it is clean.
Can we leave now?
Yes, let's go.
Will you help me get a wheelchair?
Yes, I will help.
Can you stop at a pharmacy on the way?
Yes, we can stop.
Do you have a phone charger?
Yes, I do.
Is it safe to leave my things in the car?
Yes, it's safe.
Can you lower the window?
Yes, I can.
Will the trip take more than 20 minutes?
No, about 15 minutes.
Can you call me when you arrive?
Yes, I will call you.
Is there enough space for 2 people?
Yes, there is space.
Will you help my mother inside?
Yes, I will help her.
Can I bring my dog?
Yes, it's okay.